In today's video, we'll explore 6 essential vitamins that are crucial for people with diabetes. As you know, managing diabetes involves not only controlling blood sugar levels but also ensuring that the body receives adequate nutrients. Vitamins play a key role in maintaining overall health, boosting the immune system, and protecting the body from diabetes-related complications. 1. Vitamin D and its impact on diabetics. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, is essential not only for bone health but also for blood sugar control, particularly for people with diabetes. Blood sugar control. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity, the hormone responsible for moving sugar from the blood into cells for energy use. Adequate levels of vitamin D help enhance the body's response to insulin, thereby aiding in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. A deficiency in vitamin D can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and worsen the condition of those already diagnosed with the disease. Bone health. Vitamin D aids in the absorption of calcium, a mineral essential for developing and maintaining strong bones. Diabetics are at a higher risk of osteoporosis due to bone density loss and diabetes-related complications such as arthritis and nerve damage. Ensuring sufficient vitamin D intake helps reduce the risk of fractures and improves overall bone health. Sources of vitamin D. Diabetics should aim for 10–30 minutes of sun exposure daily, depending on skin type and location. Foods rich in vitamin D include salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, and fortified milk. If necessary, vitamin D supplements can be taken under a doctor's guidance. Vitamin D aids in blood sugar control and protects bone health, making it especially important for diabetics to maintain good health and prevent complications. 2. Vitamin B12, important for nerve function and red blood cell formation. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, particularly for those with diabetes. Nerve function. Vitamin B12 is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system. It helps in the maintenance of myelin, the protective sheath that covers nerves and ensures efficient transmission of nerve impulses. Deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage, causing symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and pain in the hands and feet. For diabetics, who are already at risk of neuropathy due to high blood sugar levels, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin B12 is critical to prevent or mitigate nerve-related complications. Formation of red blood cells. Vitamin B12 is also essential for the production of red blood cells. It aids in the formation of DNA within these cells, ensuring their proper size and function. A deficiency can lead to megaloblastic anemia, characterized by larger than normal red blood cells that do not function properly. This condition can result in symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. For diabetics, who may already be dealing with energy level fluctuations due to blood sugar issues, preventing anemia through adequate B12 intake is particularly important. Sources of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal-based foods, including meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. For individuals who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, fortified foods or supplements are essential to ensure adequate intake. Older adults and people with absorption issues may also require B12 supplements. Conclusion. Maintaining sufficient levels of vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health and the production of healthy red blood cells, especially for diabetics who are at an increased risk of neuropathy and anemia. Regular consumption of B12-rich foods or appropriate supplementation can help support overall health and well-being. 3. Vitamin C, powerful antioxidant, immune booster, and its relevance to diabetes. Vitamin C, known for its potent antioxidant properties, is crucial for supporting the immune system and overall health, particularly in individuals with diabetes. Antioxidant benefits. Vitamin C plays a pivotal role in combating oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. For diabetics, who often experience increased oxidative stress due to fluctuating blood sugar levels, adequate intake of vitamin C can help mitigate cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic complications associated with diabetes, such as cardiovascular disease and kidney damage. Immune enhancement. Beyond its antioxidant capabilities, vitamin C is renowned for its role in enhancing immune function. It stimulates the production of white blood cells and antibodies, essential components of the immune system's defense against infections and illnesses. Diabetics, who may have compromised immune function, can benefit significantly from maintaining optimal levels of vitamin C to bolster their body's natural defenses and reduce the likelihood of infections. Relation to diabetes. Research suggests that vitamin C may help improve insulin sensitivity, potentially aiding in better blood sugar control. Moreover, individuals with diabetes tend to have lower levels of vitamin C due to increased urinary excretion of the vitamin. Supplementing with vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and leafy greens, or with supplements under medical guidance, can support overall health and diabetes management. In conclusion, vitamin C's antioxidant prowess and immune-boosting properties make it invaluable for diabetics in managing oxidative stress, supporting immune health, and potentially improving insulin sensitivity. Regular intake of vitamin C-rich foods or supplements can contribute to better health outcomes for individuals living with diabetes. 4. Vitamin E, protecting cells from free radical damage. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, plays a critical role in safeguarding cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This nutrient is particularly significant for individuals with diabetes, who may be more susceptible to oxidative damage due to fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin E works by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells and tissues. By doing so, it helps protect cell membranes, proteins, and DNA from oxidative damage, thereby maintaining their structural integrity and function. Importance for diabetics. For people with diabetes, oxidative stress is a common concern due to elevated blood glucose levels. Over time, this can lead to complications such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and kidney disease. Vitamin E helps mitigate these risks by combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation, potentially improving overall health outcomes. Sources of vitamin E. Good dietary sources of vitamin E include nuts, such as almonds and sunflower seeds, vegetable oils, like sunflower, safflower, and wheat germ oil, spinach, broccoli, and avocados. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet can contribute to meeting daily vitamin E requirements. Supplementation. In cases where dietary intake may be insufficient, vitamin E supplements can be considered. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any supplementation regimen, especially for those with existing health conditions or taking medications. Conclusion. Vitamin E's role in protecting cells from oxidative damage makes it an essential nutrient for overall health, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. By including vitamin E-rich foods or supplements as part of a healthy lifestyle, individuals can support their body's defense against oxidative stress and promote long-term well-being. 5. Vitamin B6 supports brain function and the immune system. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, particularly in supporting brain function and enhancing the immune system. Brain function. One of the primary roles of vitamin B6 is its involvement in brain development and function. It participates in the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which are essential for mood regulation, cognitive function, and overall mental well-being. Adequate levels of vitamin B6 contribute to optimal brain performance, helping to maintain focus, memory, and learning abilities. For individuals with diabetes, who may be at higher risk of cognitive decline, ensuring sufficient intake of vitamin B6 is crucial for preserving brain health. Immune system support. Vitamin B6 plays a key role in the proper functioning of the immune system. It is involved in the production of antibodies, proteins that help fight off infections and diseases. Additionally, vitamin B6 supports the activity of white blood cells, which are crucial components of the immune system responsible for identifying and destroying pathogens. By maintaining adequate levels of vitamin B6, individuals can enhance their immune response and reduce the risk of infections, which is especially important for diabetics who may have compromised immune function. Sources of vitamin B6. Good dietary sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, potatoes, chickpeas, bananas, and fortified cereals. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet ensures sufficient intake of vitamin B6. In cases where dietary intake may be insufficient, vitamin B6 supplements can be considered under medical guidance to meet daily requirements. Conclusion: vitamin B6 is essential for supporting brain function, including mood regulation and cognitive abilities, as well as enhancing the immune system's ability to defend against infections. Diabetics can benefit significantly from maintaining adequate levels of vitamin B6 to support overall health and well-being, making it an important nutrient in their dietary regimen. 6. Vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin K is an essential fat-soluble vitamin that plays pivotal roles in blood clotting and bone metabolism, making it indispensable for overall health. Blood clotting. One of the primary functions of vitamin K is its role in blood clotting. It facilitates the production of several proteins involved in the clotting process, particularly prothrombin. Without adequate vitamin K, the blood's ability to clot effectively is impaired, leading to an increased risk of excessive bleeding, which can be particularly concerning for individuals with diabetes who may already have compromised vascular health. Bone health. In addition to its role in clotting, vitamin K is crucial for bone health. It helps in the modification of proteins that regulate calcium, ensuring that calcium is properly deposited in bones and teeth. This process contributes to maintaining bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. For individuals with diabetes, who are at higher risk of bone fractures due to complications like neuropathy and decreased bone density, adequate vitamin K intake is essential to support skeletal strength and integrity. Sources of vitamin K. Vitamin K is found in two main forms: K1, phylloquinone, which is abundant in leafy green vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli, and K2, menaquinone, which is synthesized by bacteria in the gut and also found in fermented foods like cheese and natto. Including these foods in the diet ensures an adequate intake of vitamin K. Conclusion: ensuring sufficient intake of vitamin K is crucial for maintaining proper blood clotting function and promoting strong bones. For individuals with diabetes, incorporating vitamin K-rich foods into their diet can help mitigate the risk of both clotting disorders and bone-related complications, thereby supporting overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching our video on the 6 essential vitamins for individuals with diabetes. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful in understanding how these vitamins can support your health and well-being. Remember, managing diabetes involves not only monitoring blood sugar levels but also ensuring your body receives adequate nutrients to function optimally. The vitamins discussed, including vitamin D, B12, C, E, B6, and K, play crucial roles in various aspects of health, from immune function to bone strength and nerve health. To stay updated on more health tips and nutritional insights, please consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll receive notifications when we post new videos that can help you navigate your diabetes journey with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us continue to create informative content to empower individuals with diabetes to live healthier lives. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay healthy and take care.